DJM TV.
Hey fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all around the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do not also forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop any news on our channel. Now let's take you straight into the news. As the people of Warri land in Warri Kingdom we say, Aleje fun. This is to symbolize that a great king has passed on. The Council of Chiefs of the Warri Kingdom at the Palace of the Olu of Warri in Ode Chekiri, Big Warri, has announced the passage of their king, late Ikenwale Godwin Emiko, the 20th Olu of Warri, the 5th of April 2021. Before this announcement was made, there was a little controversy as to if the king has really passed on or not. But when the Council of Chiefs were contacted at first, they only said the king was receiving special medical attention from medical practitioners in an undisclosed hospital. But on the 5th of April, in a ceremony at Agofe, the Olu of Warri Palace at Ode Shekiri, Big Warri, the Council of Chiefs, led by the Ashere, Chief Johnson Asheru Legend, announced formally the passage of Ikenwale I of the Warri Kingdom, and also made the announcement of the Olu of Warri designate, Prince Utienyo Richel Shola Emiko, as the one who will take over from the late Ikenwale. This announcement was made traditionally by the breaking of 3 earthen native pots which contains native chalk on the ground. The shout of Aleje fun filled the air, and at the shout of Aleje fun, all Ishekiri's sons and daughters immediately turned their clothes upside down. This is a sign of respect and mourning for their late king. The Iashere said that all Ishekiri's sons and daughters are expected to wear their clothes for the period of 3 lunar months inside out, and also to tie their wrappers upside down. When the announcement was also made, 20 cannon shots were released into the air. The Iashere explained that the 20 cannon shots represented the 20 Olu of Warri that has ruled the Iwere. Present at the ceremony where the passing on of the Olu of Warri was announced, His Royal Highness late Ikenwale Godwin Emiko, were the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enita, and also other traditional rulers, which includes Oba Akinola, who represented the Ojaja II, the Olubusin of Ife, and also the Ore of Otun Ekiti. Jubilation filled the air as the Iwere sons and daughters widely accepted the announcement of the Prince Utienyo Richeshola Emiko as the Olu of Warri designate. A little info on who the Olu of Warri designate is. Prince Utienyo Richeshola Emiko was born on the 2nd of April 1984 to Ogiame Atuwashe II and Olori Gladys Emiko in Warri Kingdom. He attended NNPC Primary School Warri and also Adeshoya College Ofa. He proceeded to university at Case Western Reserve University, Cleveland, Ohio, USA, where he obtained a Bachelor of Arts in International Studies and Political Science, also minoring in History and Economics in 2006. In 2008, he returned to do the compulsory 1-year NYSC service to the nation. He is married to Ivie Okumbo, the daughter of the popular Captain Idausa Okumbo, also known as Captain Osa, from Edo State. With the passing of any royal, the announcement of the next in command is usually not a very easy task to carry on. So also it is with the Warri Kingdom. After the passage of the king, before the announcement of the new Olu of Warri designate can be made, arrangement has to be made as to who is to take over from the king who has passed on to join his ancestors. And this in Warri land was no different, as it also caused a little controversy. The Ologbosere of Warri land, Chief Ayeri Emami, led the Council of Elders who disqualified Prince Shola Emiko from becoming the Olu of Warri designate. But after several consultations with the Ifa Oracle and confirmation, of course, from the Ifa Oracle that Prince Shola Emiko is the Olu of Warri designate, and his refusal to accept that Prince Shola Emiko is the Olu of Warri designate, the Iyeshere of Warri land suspended Emami Ayeri from the palace before going ahead to make the announcement that Prince Shola Emiko is the Olu of Warri designate. But Chief Ayeri Emami has come out to say there is no Olu of Warri designate because he is the only one entitled as a prime minister and second in command to the Olu of Warri. He is the only one entitled to make such announcement and proclamation. But following his suspension, the Iyeshere becomes the acting Ologbosere of the land and has every power to make such announcements. Prince Shola Emiko has said that the Guinea 1 ruling house are the only people conferred with power according to the customs and tradition of Ishekiri land to announce the new Olu of Warri designate after consultation with Ifa priest. Now this is what they have done, and they have come out with Prince Shola Emiko as the new Olu of Warri designate. Following the announcement of the passing of the Olu of Warri, His Royal Majesty Ikenwali I, sons and daughters of Warri land are to mourn the king for 3 lunar months, which of course is less than 3 calendar months. And in this time, the burial rites of the late king will be in process. And the Olu of Warri designate is expected to participate fully in the burial rites ceremony. As of now, the Olu of Warri designate has been moved to the Idenika, where he is to be prepared and taught and schooled on the customs and tradition of the Ishekiri people, after which it will emerge from the Idenika to become the new Olu of Warri. He will be crowned and installed at the Agefon, the Olu of Warri Palace, Ode Ishekiri Big Warri. Then he comes to Warri main city to perform his administrative duties. Following the announcement of the mourning period, all Ishekiri adult sons and daughters are expected to wear their clothes inside out for the period of 3 lunar months, and they also expected to tie their wrappers upside down. There will be no partying, no marrying, no party of any sort in the Warri land for the next 3 lunar months until the new Olu of Warri is installed. A deep condolence to the ruling house of the Warri land, and also a very big congratulations to the Omoba, the Olu of Warri designate, Prince Teshola Emiko. Very big congratulations, and we hope that his reign on the throne will bring about peace and prosperity to the Warri land. Well, this is where we come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Do not forget to like and to share this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and even on TikTok. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Do not forget that you can place your advert with us at DJM TV, and you'll be rest assured that your product and services will get to the desired market. Well, till I come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, I remain Lauru Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.